Hello guys, welcome to our channel today. Here we discuss platforms and opportunities where you can make money online, um, whether it's through Web3, Web2, or other legitimate platforms that allow you to make money while doing some tasks. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about Zulti. So Zulti.com. So Zulti.com is a website that allows you to partake in raffle draws and then test your luck and see if you can be one of the winners of the star prize. So every day there is a pool of $100,000 up for grabs for the lucky person. Okay, so it could be you. So here we are going to discuss every means through which you can earn money and how you can navigate this website. It took me quite a while, so I decided that it's proper that I put up this so I can guide those that are just coming in. So as you can see, this is just like my first day on this site, and I've already progressed to level 18. I have some $13 here. I have 726 gems and one app strip. Okay, so this is just day one. So by tomorrow it will be day two. So if I keep it up, it will be increasing. Okay, so it also helps multiply my chances. Here, so I'm going to start from this. So what this is that there is a draw that takes place once every day. So this one will be taking place. It closes by the afternoon of today, 15:28. That's when it closes, and then the live draws takes place some minutes after that. Okay, some minutes after, maybe 2 minutes after that, the live draw takes place. And then if you're one of the winners, you will be able to verify and see it. So for you to take part in this, you need um what's it called? You need tickets. Okay, you need tickets, and each set of ticket costs 100 gems. So I have like 700 and something gems here. So if I'm to use all of this, I'll be getting at least 7 tickets. So now I have also actually I have up to, I think, 22 tickets that I've already um bought with my gems. I have about 22 tickets that I already bought with my gems. Okay. So how do you get gems? One of the ways that you can get these gems is by your increasing your progress level. When you initially join, you find out that this progress bar, you find like you'll be able to get at least, I think, to level 7. So when you click on it, just click on this, you will see that here will be active for you to go to next level and some experience packs. So this experience packs also comes in, so it's like it's a multiplying factor. So when you get to one level, that level can even give you more experience to get to the next level. I'm going to demonstrate what I mean now. So I'm at level 18. So when I use this, when I buy, the more tickets I buy, the more I progress, the more my level progresses. Okay, so let me click on enter now. I have 700 and something gems. Let me click on enter now. So enter now. So this is it. As I said, this is about 22 tickets that I have. So I can decide to add multi or just shuffled once. So one ticket. Uh, Let me try start with one shuffle. So one ticket adds cost 100 gems. So it has some random numbers. That's one ticket. It has some random numbers for me. So I'm hoping that those numbers will be the winning numbers. Okay, I'll still talk more on that. So I can also add multi. So I can just, instead of adding them one after the other, I can just come to multi and then just increase this to the highest amount I'll be able to buy um, according to my balance. So I'll just add tickets. So it will cost 700, just like I said. This see this now. It will cost 700, but let me buy less than that. Let me see if I can remove, or I want to buy less than that because some of these I will still have to use it to show you more. Okay, I'll still let me use them up because this will also give me more gems too. Okay, okay, so I have about seven here. These are the random numbers. Okay, so I'll just click on submit tickets, then confirm. Okay, now you see what happens. I've been able to buy seven extra tickets. See them. So I now have 29 tickets that will be taken part in this draw that will be coming up some minutes, some hours from now. So this is it. Okay. So if I'm among the lucky ones, I'll be able to gain. So let's talk about the prize money before I'll talk about how to get more gems. You see this level up, it has leveled up. So I need to claim some packs. Need to claim this pack. So these are always, and in claiming this pack, you can also claim real money. Yes. So claiming these packs can also give you real money. So these are the ways that you can be able to make money on the site. So let's look at the price table. Now look at what happened. If there are about uh, seven random numbers that are generated for you for each ticket. So if all seven of them it becomes the seven that are drawn, so you win the jackpot. That's $100,000. So if is six out of that seven, you win 100. Five out of that 50. Four out of that 25, and then if it's three out of your seven that gets drawn, so you win a 50 USD. Okay, so that's so according to Harmony, this is what it means. This is what it means. Let me go back home. This is what it means. So if the number is drawn, let me click on enter now and see one of mine. Okay, so if the numbers drawn are these 7, 19, 22, 23, 29, blah, all these ones, then you win. So if five out of these are in that number, you win maybe it's 50. If it's two, you win this. If it's that, so that's how it is. So if it's drawn, everyone will be able to see the numbers that are drawn and see if yours is inclusive. If one of your numbers, two of it, three of it, four of it, or all seven of them are included in the numbers drawn. Okay, so let's now look at leveling up, which is another way that we can make money on this side apart from this draw. So leveling up. Okay, click on level up. So we have some packs. So from this now, see, I've made about $3 here and 2,000, and then spine boost. So spinning is also one of the ways that you can earn money. Once you finish this, we'll also talk about how you can spine and get money. Okay, so I have two level rewards available. Some will give you 5 level, 7 level, and all that. So I'll click on this to open the two that I have. So I have to tap open. Yeah, so this one gives, I have 0.18 USD, I have 182 gems, and I have spam boost about 0.551s. So I'll open the next one. I have one more remaining. um okay, so I'll open this. Okay, you see 0.67. You can even get up to 1 USDT for this. Imagine doing this up to 30 times, and then you'll be able to get up to the minimum to withdraw. Okay, 0.5. You see, 0.5 s. That's it. So I've opened, or you see my history, see all the ones that I've claimed. If I load more, you will see all the ones that I've claimed before. Now you see where I claimed even 1 point something USD. It might be nothing, but when you accumulate, it might seem like nothing. But when you accumulate, you see now it's about 4 point something USD. So for just some few minutes of task. So I'm now at level 20. Okay, I'm now at level 20. Now, one of the other ways also that when you comment that you'll be able to make money is this pan. Okay, so this pinning, um, for this is it. I think it's about, I think, 2 times in a day that you are able to spin it. I already did. When you come in nearly, you see that it's open. You can spin and then get some gems that you can use for your draws. And then another way is also to refer people. Okay, you can refer people, and then if you click on refer, you'll be able to get your share your see your referral code and then be able to share it. So you'll be able to copy it out and share to people for them to join. So this is my own code. You can use it to also join. So for each person that joins through your this, you have $1. So up to 7 per withdrawal. You have $1 for each person that refers. Then 1,000 gems for each confirmed referral, 100 experience per confirmed referral, then 50. So whatever the person wins, you get 50% of it. Okay. So what they mean, you get it. Not that it will be deducted from them, it will just be paid. So if they win a $50, you'll be given 25 USD. Okay. So that's how it works. So that's for the referral. So there is another two. There are two mini games here that you can also partake in to increase your gems. Gems is one of those prize that's set here that you can use to take part in the draw. Okay, so gems is also one of them. Mini games, the two mini games that we have here are in one of the ways that you can also increase your gems. So let's start with this Zlinko. For this Zlinko, so what this means is you choose how much gems you want to bet on. Okay, you could say 10 gems or you increase to 20 gems. Okay, 10 gems or 20 gems. So and then you click drop. So what will happen is a ball starts dropping here, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, until it comes to the last place. Okay, wherever it drops, if it drops at 1s, that means whatever you bet on times 1. So if it's 10 gems, you are given back your 10 gems. If it drops on 0s, so the what you bet with has gone. If it drops on 2s, what you bet with will be multiplied by 2. So we have 10 times 2. So it will be 20 gems. So if it's 625s, whatever you bet with, you multiplied by 25s. So let's try that. Let me demonstrate it. So I'm betting 10 gems, then I'll drop. You see, it starts dropping, drops at 1s. So I'm giving back my just to make just to retreat. So see my balance 393. Let's try again with 10. It's still 10. Let's try again and see what happens. What I have there is 393. So it's not 383. You see, so that means that I lost what I bet with. Okay, let me increase to 20 and still see, and then say drop. Let's see where it goes from there. Oh, 2s. You see, it has increased 20. That's 20 times 2. That's like 40. So that's how to play this one. That's how to play it. Or you continue playing until you multiply your gems. But take note that you can also lose your gems. Okay. I wish you the best of luck as you play this one. Let me go back home and then we try the second mini game. So this one is Zeno. So what this one does is a random numbers will be generated for you, and if those random numbers, just like our main draw, if those random numbers are amongst the numbers that are being drawn centrally at that moment, you'll be able to you will win. So let me demonstrate it. So I'm betting 10 USDT. I'll just click on quick play. Let me click quick play. You'll see what happens. Okay. So these are my numbers, but let's see if they are among the if they are among to nothing. So all the numbers are selected. We are not among the numbers uh, uh, that we are drawn. Let me do another quick play and see what happens. So see 24 is amongst and then I mean 10. So if it's 2 that are selected, it will be 20. Let me do another one and see. Oh, nothing here. Do the last one. Okay, I have one. Okay, I have one. Try again. Let's see now. How lucky we can be this time. You won. Okay, so that's how you can do it. There are times that I do it and I get like 3 hours and all that. So you can try and see what comes out for you. All right. So that's it for that one. Okay. So that's how you'll be able to make to be able to earn some money from this platform. Remember that the minimum amount to withdraw is about 37 USD. 37 USD. So if you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them. Okay, and then share the video. Just forget to subscribe and encourage us so we can make more videos like this to be able to guide people on navigating some platform that can earn them some passive income or earn them some side income. Okay. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck as you take part in the draws.